see the swarm checkup. So this swarm on Saturday, look what they did here. This is...
Well, they've already built out quite a bit.
They ate some, you know. That's why, and you can notice the fresh honey and pollen on it. Yeah, they.
But yeah, they've definitely built it out.
But that's why it's good thing to get them, feed them at this time, so they don't have to chew through the wax to build. Okay. Most likely there were more queen bees in this swarm than just one. I don't know how we missed the plenty of memory on SD card. So this one also pretty well built for 2 days, and considering that yesterday rained most of the time, luckily it was a light rain, only periods of heavy rain. I had time to glue it, to glue the frames. You can see the building chain.
So no propolis you're not seeing?
Pretty clean.
Right, yeah, it's good.
Everything is new. Wonder if we'll see the queen bee after we've seen it coming back. Regular building chain. One better build. On this one they didn't chew that much wax like the other ones.
So you're thinking start feeding tonight?
Yeah, if you can, that would be great for them. You know, they need 6.125 pounds of honey to make a pound of wax. And this one has 9 frames so far, and you can see they done a great job. Caught it on Saturday, and you can see fresh honey right here.
Oh yeah.
You can see how it's glistening. Fresh honey with pockets of pollen. And with the weather yesterday, this is what the 4th frame, almost 3/4 build. Very done pretty good.
Well, no sign of her yet, huh?
Not yet. Well, should be fitting after having this affair, once in a lifetime affair.
So they're making a chain here.
Yep. Kind of, the chain was present between each frame, kind of disrupted right now, going through the frames. So, just to make sure we don't have. Oh, okay, there she is. Can see it?
Where are you looking?
Center up.
Oh yeah. You feeding her? Is that what they're doing right there?
Well, yep. It's kind of that might be the one that we've seen it. Hopefully, it's only one.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Couple of them.
She's making her way to the top.
Yeah, but it's.
Does she look like she has mated?
She looks like.
She look big enough?
Not yet.
Doesn't
no,
look quite big.
She would still grow over the next few days, and doesn't start laying eggs. Well, it will start laying eggs in the next few days.
You haven't noticed any eggs on these frames, correct?
No. It's too early.
Well, then hopefully she's the only queen.
Yep, that's the thing, because we got bunches of bees in separate occasions, with this one. So at least 2 times. Well, we got the box. Then you shake the bucket at least 2 times, and we've noticed that queen bee that flew
Mm-hmm.
on the last batch from the branch. So for sure there were other queen bee that kept the bees in the box to begin with. You've really done a great job building so fast.
They're trying to impress their new queen.
Well, there are also plenty of them. Hopefully only one queen.
Well, one more frame to look on after this.
Yep.
How many bees would you estimate we have in this top bee box here?
Maybe 40 to 50,000. Okay, so this is the last one. They didn't build that much, but
A lot less bees on this one, yeah.
yeah, they done great from 8 of them.
Well, we'll feed them and hopefully
Wow,
they'll grow.
that's for sure. Yep. Okay, let's keep this one.
Do you want me to get another frame to add?
Yep. I would add another frame there. Plenty of bees.